Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how can you off double click to install apps. So guys, if you want to off double click to install apps, then how can you do this? So guys, let's start over the video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, simply you go back, and from here guys, you need to just open setting. Scroll it below, tap on General, tap on Software Update, and make sure that you are using updated version of your iPhone. And after that, scroll it below, and from here guys, simply tap on this Face ID and passcode. Tap on this, enter your iPhone passcode, and after that guys, you can see here iTunes and App Store. So guys, simply turn this toggle off, and after that go back, open App Store again, tap on Get, and here you can see the toggle of double click install will be off. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.